Commute with me to Anytime Fitness. What's up mga kabites? It's your resident biter, Riri Bites. We're back in Guadalupe. I think may train pa, but yung dinadaanan kong mall, sarado na siya, I think. Sarado na siya, I think. So hindi tayo makaka-shortcut sa Guada Mall. For the shortcut, para lang siya hindi masyadong maalikabok and para lang malamig. May way naman sa side, so ayun lang. From my previous vlog, that's the Guada Mall right there. And on the left side, that's EDSA. Right now, we need to get a ride from MRT Guada station to Boni. That's just one station away. Yeah, that's the MRT Guada station. In just like less than 5 minutes, nasa MRT station na ako. Lagyan ko na lang muna ng laman yung beep card ko. If you don't have a beep card, you can use SJT. You can purchase it here. But right now, may beep card ako. Lahat ng barya ko, lalagay ko sa beep card kasi mabigat na siya. 46 po. My Lucky Penny. This is American. Ayan na ang ating beep card. And that's SJT. I forget. It's fine. Naiwan yung SJT niya. So, ayan yung New Balance. 119. It's 9:06. Last trip is around 9:30 to 9:45. We're still good to go. Literally just one station away is Boni Station from Guadalupe. It's quite near lang, but really, why don't you walk? Why don't you cross the road? It's super dusty and not safe. Right now, the mall access is closed kasi 9 na. But that's fine. Usually, maaga naman ako pumupunta. 9:10, 1 minute, nasa Boni Station na ako. So yeah, that's fun. Beep card line. So that's around 13 pesos. And there's an elevator here, pababa. That's Light Mall. That's EDSA. That's my usual route. Actually, not usual. Pagbukas ang mall, dyan ako dumadaan. If you noticed earlier, I kind of held the elevator door. Kunyari, I was protecting people from entering para hindi sila maasarahan ng door. Medyo tip siya for MRT elevators or LRT elevators para nasa harap ka, para ikaw yung unang makababa. But at the same time, you're also protecting them. Kaya lang, you're really protecting them. But at the same time, nasa harap ka. And yeah. We're at SM Light Mall. Hi, Ate Guard. The Ate Guard was asking me if naka-live ba ako. I told her I'm just vlogging. I don't know if bawal mag-live here. I think bawal. I don't know. Hindi naman niya sinabi bawal. Wala lang. Baka tinanong niya lang. Baka curious siya sa channel ko. Around 9, the establishments here start to close. So it's 9:15. Ayan na siya. So by 10, sarado na lahat. So, obviously, wala na akong train. Mamaya, makikita nyo how I go home. Come join me a bit, working out. It's just an arm day for me today. There are still kids. So, marami here are people from nearby condos. And may condo din sa taas. SMDC Light na condo. This is Activate. And that's Anytime Fitness. I haven't been working out for so long. Oh my God, daming tao. I don't like. I literally just work out around 2 hours, and the first part of my workout is treadmill. Since may vacant naman na treadmill, so I can do that. Pero kung wala, I can start with stretches, ganon. So 2 hours kasi ayoko ma-overwork, ayoko ma-overstretch yung muscles ko. 20 minutes of cardio done and I'm almost dead. Just a heads up, it's been a week since my last workout, so please excuse me for being such a pussy. I'm done with my arms exercises, both biceps and triceps. I'm gonna do abs now. 2 hours and 30 minutes done. Thankfully, natapos ko lahat ng aking workouts today, including cardio and abs. It's usually not the case kasi may work na ako, so madalas late na ako gumigising. And I want to do my gym time before work. Kaso yun nga, minsan pina-prioritize ko yung pagtulog. Anyway, so today is my rest day and yeah, kaya ko siya natapos lahat. About to do my cool downs. So my cool downs are usually just stretches, mga slow stretches. It's as important as your warm up. So my warm up naman is yung mga mabibilis. Warm up is something that activates your blood, so that includes the cardio as well. But yeah, yung stretches ko are my cool downs and it's super important para hindi masyadong fatigued yung katawan mo after. So may abs na ako konti ulit. Medyo tumaba ako kasi, so nawala siya, but ayan na siya ulit. It's 12:06. I should have been done mga 11:30. Took some time sa CR, picture for body check for my online coach, Franklin Diputado from Dumaguete City. Usually crave something cold after working out, so usually Starbucks, and malapit lang din naman yung Starbucks dito. I have a free drink from the 206 na resibo. If you're suke and if you're a barista, you know what's a 206. It's not the stars, it's the 206. I have a healthier, cheaper alternative, which is in Pande, Manila. So I'll take you there. And obviously, 12 midnight na, wala ng train. So I'll probably move it after Pande, Manila. It's my new friend ako. Hi! Hi! Bigla siyang lumapit sa akin. Hello! Sorry, wala akong food bukas. If you're a commuter, make sure you look broke here in Metro Manila. Just to be safe, so keep your valuables out inside your bag. So huwag kang magdala ng maraming pera kung may pera ka. And your phone, keep it hidden always. Also, I'm not gonna drink my free coffee sa Starbucks kasi I can drink that for another day when I really need it. Today, I don't need naman to wake up, so I'll just do my Panda Manila. It's just 75 pesos for a yogurt. It's really, really good and healthy. Yogurt. This is my favorite flavor. This melon. Melon ba ito, ate? Ay, ayun, nasa likod pala. Okay. I'm here at Pande Manila having my favorite Soy Life Soy Milk Pande Manila drink, melon flavor. 75 pesos, super cold while waiting for my rider. It's fairly safe naman yung roads here, but mas mabuti ng sure. So that's it for today's vlog. That's commuting to Anytime Fitness. Sorry, di ko na napakita yung pauwi. But usually, I just do the same train pabalik. But since wala ng train, so baka next time, pag mag-commute ako to work. If you haven't yet, please do click like. Please subscribe to my channel. Drop your comments. Follow all of my social media. Lahat ng links nasa baba lang, nasa description. Thanks for watching. See you next Sunday. Bye!